welcome back to my channel. You're here on Bree Maquillage. Maquillage is the makeup word for French people. It's a roundabout way to say it, but I got there. I have an eyelash. I don't know if we can like zoom in and see it, but it grows straight down. And I'm gonna pluck it out before we get started today. So this is my life. Ow. Where are you, you little bee? Oh gosh. Like all the hairs right here in this corner grow down. But this one is particularly large and in charge. Is it like slippery? Is it slipping? Is there stuff in here? It's not coming. Hi. Why didn't I do this off camera? I don't know. Oh, I got it a little. No. Ow! Oh, geez. Did I get it? I didn't even get it! Ow. I got it. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's right there. Isn't she a big boy? She's a big boy. With like a long root too. Now my eye's gonna be all irritated this whole video. It's fine. My skin's not doing great. I need to reevaluate my skincare. Obviously. Maybe add like a serum here or two now and then. Yeah. Anywho, let's get into today's video. So I just wanted to make a little disclaimer. Are we like crooked? Are we crook? My disclaimer is that I am going to create today. So when I create, I really like to zone out, watch a video. My eye hurts. Ow. Ugh. Zone out, watch a video, you know, chill and just create. I don't want to be bothered with talking and explaining what I'm doing. I just like to look, see, do, feel, and do what's right. So I will be time-lapsing this whole video. I will probably be doing voiceover because those are really fun for me. And thank you guys for watching this intro, and we will get into the video right meow.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.
The look, I can't handle this. Oh, it's so amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and go in the next room, do a little photo shoot, and I'll show you the pictures right here. That is that for this. This whole shoot is a wrappo. Ew. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe and like this video. Since you've seen all of it all the way through, you know if you like it. Please like it. I love this look. Ooh. Thanks for watching. I love you guys all so very, very much. Have a fantastic and happy day. I'll see you on the next one.